So good morning everyone. So today we are solving 1.4 of class 9th. So in this we are representing real number on the number line. Means real number in this type of numbers. You have two questions in this exercise. So I am doing one question from my side and you have to do these two questions from your side. So in this question we are visualize 6.4837 on the number line by using successive magnification method. As you know, what is the meaning of magnification? Magnification means zoom, right? So from the right side of the decimal, how can we read the number? This is your ones place, tens place, hundred place, and thousand place, right? So if we are taking this is 10 times of this is 10 times of this is 10 times of this, and this is 10 times of this. So how can we represent this number on the number line? So clearly we are observing 6.4837 is greater than 6 but less than 7. So first we are plotting this number 6.4 on the number line. So how can you plot this? So you have to draw a line like this. This is your 6 and this is your 7. And now divide this into what? Into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. If you are taking 9 points, then they are 10 equal parts. So this number would be 6.1, this would be 6.2, this is 6.3 and this is 6.4. So this is your number 6.4 and this is your 6.5 because we have 6.48, right? So now we will magnify this part 6.4 and 6.5. So this is your 6.4 and this is your 6.5, and again we are divided into 10 equal parts because they are 10 times of this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, right? So what is the number? This is 6.48. So means 6.4 means 6.40 and 6.5 means 6.50. So means this number would be 6.41, 6.42, 6.43, 6.45, 6.46, 6.47 and 6.48. So this is your number 6.48 and this would be 6.49 because the number is not AND up to 8. We have two more digits here. So now this time we are magnify this part. So here you have two numbers 6.480 and this is 6.490, and again divide into 10 parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. So this number would be 6.481, 6.482 and 6.483. This is number up to this. So this is 6.483, right, and this is 6.484. Clear? Because we have 37 and this is 4.83 means 4830 and this is 4840. So again magnify this part 6.4830 and this is your 6.4840. Again divide in 10 parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clear? So this number would be 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 and 37. So this is your actual number which you need to represent on the number line 6.4837. So this is your answer. In this way you can solve question number 1 and question number 2 of 1.4 by using successive magnification method. This is the method which is known as successive magnification method. And now I am solving next exercise 1.5. So now, before starting 1.5, first we must know the operations of real numbers. So in real numbers, we have two types of number, rational number or irrational numbers. So some of the properties you have already discussed in class 9th. Means you have discussed like something rational, sum of two rational number is a rational number. Difference of two rational number is a rational number. Product of two rational number is also a rational number, or division of two rational number is also a rational number. Right, this part you have already discussed in class 8. And now, because we have rational number and as well as irrational numbers. So similarly, if we are operating, operations means how many operations we have in maths? We have 4 operations: plus, minus, multiply or divide. So if the same thing we are applying on irrational numbers, so irrational number plus irrational number or irrational number minus irrational number or irrational number multiply irrational number or irrational number divide by irrational number. In this time they would be means maybe an irrational number or not. Means sometimes they would be irrational numbers or sometimes they would be an rational number. So if we are applying, if we are taking one number as rational and one number is irrational, then what will happen? So we must know the properties. Rational plus irrational is an irrational number. Rational difference. Now this sign is a difference, sign of difference. Means rational number minus irrational number minus rational number or rational number minus irrational number. Means it would be here or here. या तो r को आप इधर ले जाइए, या तो आप irrational से rational को माइनस करो, या rational से irrational को माइनस करो. Irrational number is also irrational number, but in case r multiply by irrational number is also irrational number, and r divided by irrational number or irrational number divided by rational number. In this time, right, in this time they would be irrational number. Rational divided by irrational is equals to maybe irrational number or not. Let me confirm. So these are the properties which you must know about the rational number, about the irrational numbers, or about the rational or irrational numbers. So with the help of these properties you can easily solve your question number 1.1. So afterwards you have to just sum of the questions which is given in the form of simplification. Simplification means add 5 minus 2 under root 3 and minus 7 minus 5 under root 3. Now this time we need to add this number and this number. So how can we add? 2 minus 2 under root 3 plus minus 7 minus 5 under root 3. So we are taking minus n is common. So it would be 5 minus 2 under root 3, right? And plus minus sign. If we are taking common, then it would be 7 plus 5 under root 3. And if we multiply this sign with this, then what we are getting? 5 minus 2 under 3 plus minus minus, and then if we multiply this again, I'm explaining you, even I can write directly. So it would be 5 minus 2 under root 3 minus 7 minus 5 under root 3, because when 5 multiply this negative sign multiply in this bracket, then the sign would be change. Afterwards, collect the numbers. Collect the numbers means collect the integers separately and remaining numbers separately. So you have 5 positive and 7 negative, so the answer would be minus 2. And now this time you have minus 2 under root 3 and minus 5 under root 5. So this time you can take under root 5 under root 3 sorry as apple. Getting? Under root 3 is an apple. So this is 2 apple and this is 5 apple. And because both are same sign, so they would be add. So it would be 2 plus 5 minus 7 under root 3 apple means 7 apple. 2 apple, 5 apple, this is 7 apple. Getting? So this is your answer, and or you can take minus sign as common and give your answer in a bracket. And some of the question like subtract 10 minus 2 under root 5 from 3 minus or 3 plus 2 under root 12 under root 5. So this time we subtract this part from this part. So this type of question we already know. This is subtract A from B. That means B minus A. This minus this. So 3 plus 12 under root 5 minus 10 minus 2 under root 5. So 3 plus 12 under root 5 minus, when you multiply this negative sign in this bracket, then what you are getting? Minus 10 plus 2 under root 5. Getting? Now combine the integers and these type of numbers also. So 3 and minus 10 would be minus 7, and this time again under root 5 taken as an apple. So you have 12 apple plus 2 apple, then you have 14 apple, means 14 under root 5. This is your answer. Getting? Now I am giving you one more or two more questions in which you will use multiplication operation or division operations. So now I am writing here two questions which is based on multiply. So first I am solving first part. This is the solution of first part. It is simple. Multiply 6 under root 3 by 2 multiply by 5. So simply you have to multiply 6 under root 3 multiply by 2 under root 5. So this time you have to multiply whole numbers to the whole numbers. So 6 2s are 12, and then under root 3 multiply by under root 5. So here we are applying the laws of exponents. As you know, or if you don't know, under root represent half power, means if we are writing like this under root a, so it means a raised to the power 1 upon 2. Clear? And as we know, a raised to the power n multiply b raised to the power n is equals to a multiplied by b whole power is m. So this particular formula we are applying here because we have 3 raised to the power half, 5 raised to the power half means, so what we are getting? Under root 3 multiplied by 5. So it would be 12 under root 15. This is your answer. Getting? Now solution of second part in which we have 2 plus under root 3 which is multiplied by 6 minus 2 under root 3. Sometimes the bracket in this way 2 plus under root 3 or 2 minus under root 3. So this time you just go through this particular identity a plus b or a minus b, which is equals to a square minus b square, means square root 2 minus square of under root whole square, under root 3 whole square. So now in this we have two binomial terms, binomial multiply by binomial, then how can we multiply? So this 2 taken to from the first bracket, which is multiplied in the second bracket, second whole bracket, and then the second terms of the first bracket, and then it will be multiplied with the second whole bracket. Then 2 6 are 12 minus 2 2 are 4 under root 3 plus 6 under root 3 minus 2, because plus minus minus 2 multiplied by root 3 into root 3. This is 3. Then 12 minus 4 under root 3 plus 6 under root 3 minus 2 3s are 6. Then 12 minus 6, which is 6, minus 4 apple and plus 6 apple. Then you have 2 apples, 2 under root 3. So this is your answer. Getting? So these are some part of simplifications. And if we talk about the division rule, so now I am explaining you one more. So this is your next part. Divide this by this. So 16 under root 15 divided by 2 under root 5. So first you have to divide whole number by a whole number. So 2 easily divide this number 8 times. So then what we are getting? 8 under root 15 upon under root 5. In the last solution, I explained you under root 3 into under root 5, which is equals to under root 15. So same, that time we are combine them and now we are separate them. 8 under root 15 can be written 3 multiplied by 5 upon under root 5, which you can write under root 3 into under root 5 upon under root 5. So this time root 5 and root 5 would be cancelled. So the result would be 8 under root 3. And now sometimes questions are given in this way. Simplify, right? Likewise, so we are opting a question from our result. Root 5 minus under root 7 whole square. So in simplification you must know the properties. These are some properties which you have read in class 8. A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b or a minus b. And the last is x plus ax plus b is equals to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. So this question is based on second identity, where a represent under root 5 and b represent under root 7. So now expand them, which is equals to a square means root 5 square, b square means under root 7 whole square minus 2 multiplied by a means root 5 into b means under root 7. So square of root 5, which is 5, square of root 7, which is 7, minus 2 under root 5 multiplied by 7. So 7 plus 5, 12 minus 2 under root 7 5s are 35. So this is your answer. So today your homework is exercise 1.4, and with the help of these solution which I have explained in 1.5, you are able to do question number 1, question number 2 easily. So everyone complete these questions today, and tomorrow I'll give you or I'll explain you something new part of 1.5. Thank you.